Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to choose and change your level preference. By default, Ellii displays the generic levels from pre-beginner to advanced. If you prefer to have the levels displayed using a different level system, such as CLB or CEFR for example, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, log into your account and click the arrow next to your name. From the drop-down menu, click Account. Scroll down until you see the heading Settings. Under Settings is Level Preference. To the right, click the blue Edit button. Here, you'll be presented with the different level options you can choose from. Make your choice, and then click the blue Update button at the bottom to save it. If you need more information about the levels before making your choice, click the Learn More button at the bottom. Clicking this link opens our equivalency scale that you can use to compare the different level standards. You can scroll down for more information about each standard, and you can use the links from the standards websites for even more information. Once the levels are updated, you'll notice when you click a filter at the top, the levels will appear in the drop-down menu. You'll also see under each lesson in the lesson category, the level will appear underneath the title. That's it for this video on how to choose and change your level preference. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.